In May 1945, a Halifax bomber was shot down on a mission over Lake Mjøsa, Norway. Dropping supplies to the Norwegian underground, the plane was hit by anti-aircraft fire. Crash landing on the icy lake, the six-man crew desperately tried to save themselves. All but one died that night, and he lived to tell the tale. This is a story about a rescue mission, about a group of very determined people and an airplane. For the memories of those men who died on that night, and the memories of all those who served to give us our freedom, this is a story of a group of Canadian, British, and Norwegians who set out to rescue Halifax NA337. The story begins on November the 11th, 1993. It is Remembrance Day, and Karl Kjarsgaard has arrived in Ottawa with a group of Canadian Air Force veterans. Some will say it started on that late autumn morning. Others will say it began in 1945. Whoever was right, it was the beginning of a dream that would turn into an adventure. For the past 5 years, Karl, a lifetime member of the Yorkshire Air Museum, had been contributing to the efforts of restoring the only rebuildable Halifax aircraft in the world today.
Ed, the Halifax that we're rebuilding at the Yorkshire Air Museum is a 158. We're going to dedicate it as a 158 Squadron Halley.
That's what I believe. I have pictures of which I'll show you later.
So the squadron identifier is NP, isn't it?
Yes, with the yellow stripes on the fin.
On the rudders, yep.
That's right, yes.
Yeah. Well, we're looking forward to getting that aircraft finished as a memorial to you guys.
They're still waiting for the nose part.
Yes, we are building a replica nose, which will be utilized, and hopefully in the near future we might get a real nose section. But up till this time, we have everything we need except for that nose section, and the replica nose section will suffice for now. But we want to get the Halifax definitely finished. It'll be a good centerpiece, I think, for Yorkshire.
Yes, that's in Elvington, isn't it?
Yes, it is. Yeah, yeah. It's too bad we don't have one for Canada, but I'm checking into a few things. But at least now we've got one radial-powered Halifax, huh?
Well, that's good. That's good.